Hello everyone, welcome to another Trenity demo. In this demo, we'll be talking about managing projects in secure environments using Trenity. Trenity is a self-hosted platform for managing data, projects, users, and file transfers in secure or trusted research environments. Now, when it comes to managing projects in a TRE, there are a lot of activities that are involved. We're talking about things like onboarding users into the project, providing access to data sets, providing resources to that project, as well as managing project requests. We're talking about things like ingress, egress requests, and as well as other service requests like requests for a VM or things like that. As a data manager or as a project manager in a TRE, these are some of the activities that you will be involved in when you're managing projects. And with Trinity, our goal was to create a one-tool solution where, the data manager or the project manager in the TRE can have one tool to manage all these various activities within the TRE. At the moment, what we see is that, these various activities are managed by different tools in the TRE, which obviously makes it less efficient for the data manager or the project manager. But with Trinity, everything is in one place, giving the data manager more control and more visibility over all the projects in the TRE. So for this particular demo, I've logged in as an admin, which will give me access to all the features in Trinity. So when you're working with when you're dealing with projects in Trinity, you'll be working mainly with the project model. And if you click on projects here, you'll be brought to the project model. Because I've logged in as an admin, I've got access to all the projects in the TRE. But if I were to log in as a standard user, I would be able to see only the projects that I've got access to on this pane. Also, from an admin or a project manager or data manager point of view, this is where you can do things like add a new project. You can export a list of all the projects you've got in your TRE. You can search for a new project, and things like that. And I just want to show you one more thing, which is going into I want to show you what the project workspace looks like. So when you click on a project in Trinity, you'll be brought to the project workspace. And remember, we talked about creating a one-tool solution. As a researcher, your project workspace has got everything to deal with every activity in the TRE. So, no matter the activity you want to undertake in the TRE, you can do it from your workspace. You can make requests from your workspace. You can save your project files in your workspace. You can perform, agile project management by breaking down your projects into smaller tasks or subtasks and, using the Kanban board. As a data manager, you can provide various resources to your projects from the project manager. You can also provide updates to your projects. And also you can, fulfill requests like ingress requests, egress requests, and other service requests. So your researchers right from the project workspace can log various requests. They can log an ingress request, which is what we call an inbound, or an egress request, which is what we call an outbound. Or, they can also log things like a data access request using the ticket function, where you can click on a ticket and just select data access and then choose the asset you want to access. And all these things can be done from the project module. So as a data manager or a project manager in the TRE, you've got full control and you can provide assistance and support to all your projects in the TRE, from one place. So typically what we would see is that, researchers would need to log into or access various tools in the TRE to carry out these various activities when they're in the TRE. But with Trinity, we've put it all in one place. So if you're a data manager or a project manager, this should really make life easy for you because you have full 360 visibility of all the projects running in your TRE. You can provide support to the projects in your TRE. You can grant access to data set right from the project module as well, and you can provide resources to them. And we'll talk about all these different features, in a different video. But for now, I just wanted to give you a good overview of what the project module look like. So if you take a look at the overview tab, you can see all the details of the project. You can see all the tags. And again, we talked about this when it comes to the metadata. You can enforce metadata for your project. So if you're a project manager in the TRE and you want every project to have certain tags, for instance, you want to know the funding of the project, you can enforce all those metadata, and every project in your TRE will will be uniform in that manner if you want it that way. We also got the abstract tab. This is where you can, you put your literature for the project, and this can also be exported into a report. So if you want to see a report of the projects, you can just do a quick report that will show you what is going on regarding that project. And so there are a lot of things you can do here, but it just makes the life of the data manager or the project manager in the TRE, a lot easier, or a lot better, if I can put it that way. So, this is just an overview, like I said, of the project management model. We're going to do a deeper dive into it, talking about things like the agile project management, milestones, requesting access to data sets. I've done that in a different video, but I'm going to show you what it looks like from the project as well as requesting, services like ingress. How do you bring data into the TRE securely? All those features and functionalities are built into Trenity. So there's really no need for any other tool like a SFTP or an FTP transfer service. Everything is built into Trenity, and it's all tightly integrated with the requesting system. So you don't have to leave one tool and go to another tool to carry out any other activity. All activities in the TRE can be done in Trenity, and all activities are logged as well. So giving you that audit trail, knowing who has done what in the TRE as well. So, that's just an overview of this particular module. If you've got any question, regarding the project model or anything regarding Trenity, please feel free to email me, michael@trenity.co.uk, and I'll be sure to respond. Thank you very much. Bye.